Watch this. Absolute genius at work. A single block of wood, silent for decades, maybe centuries. And this artist? He doesn't just see timber. He sees teeth. He sees scales. He sees a predator frozen in time, waiting to be unleashed. With every cut, the ordinary dies. With every chip that falls, something ancient awakens. This isn't carving, this is resurrection. Wood into flesh, stillness into hunger. And when he's done, museums fight for it, collectors empty vaults, hundreds of thousands of dollars, for what was once a tree in a forest nobody remembered. But look closer, that eye, that tension in the jaw, the way light catches each ridge along the spine. This isn't just craft, this is obsession, measured in splinters and sawdust. You won't find another piece like this, not commissioned, not rushed. Born from patience most people have forgotten exists.